G'day everyone, and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host today, Tex Greycloud, and this is John Forest National Park. At the moment we're at Eagle View Point, and as you can see, very beautiful out here. Don't mind me, just doing a documentary.
Sorry, I thought you were talking to me.
That's all right.
Hope I haven't talking.
So here we are, Eagle View Lookout. Just a moment. Here everyone, Eagle View Lookout from John Forest National Park. What a sight to see, eh? Amazing view. Now, of course, silly me, I had to take the long way to get here. Bit of a hike, but it's worth it. Hold on, I'll just get out of the sun here. Making it a bit difficult. Oh, that's better. Hey, it's definitely worth the hike to get here. Amazing view. I'll just turn you around for a moment. For what it's worth, it's definitely worth the hike getting here. And going back, I think I might take the easier way. I'm starting to run out of breath here. Just a moment. I mean, while we are here, I will just show you around a bit more, because there is a bit more to see around here, as you can see. I'll just take you for a short walk. Okay, there we are. Now just over there is the track I came on this morning. That would be the old railway line next to the tunnel. That's a fair bit of walking, alright. Oh hey, I've got to go all the way back that way just to get across, to get it back around that way, just to get home. And that's a lot of walking to do. So while we're here, just a bit more. I'll try to keep it as stable as I can. There we are. Very beautiful. Hold on, just need to adjust this phone. So there you have it, folks. Oh, hold on, just got some people coming across here. Just a moment. Like I said, very popular. But before I wrap it up, you got to come here. Amazing view. It's worth the hike. It's worth a walk, and definitely make it a morning to get here, because hey, you will appreciate being here. So until next time, see you then.